smiling. I keep my head up high though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel, but if you dig a little deeper, boy.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it's gonna be like I don't know, would it be a vlog? I don't know, but this is gonna be like a Sunday for me. Like, today is actually my first time doing Amazon Flex. If you guys don't know what that is, it's basically where you go and deliver packages for Amazon but use your own vehicle. So I signed up for this in the fall of last year, but this is my first time actually doing it. Yeah, the money don't stop, y'all. Like, I'm not gonna sit around and just depend on my one job to take care of business. I got to do what I have to do. So, and I am back to that single mom mode. So I am in gear to do what I have to do to take care of home. I've always been, so this is nothing new for me. But if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for continuing to support me and watch me. Yeah, so I kind of had a little thought, but this is really interesting. Right now I'm actually sitting waiting on because I had one at 1:15, but because I went the back roads to the location, it got me here like 4 minutes behind schedule. And so they automatically, if you're not there to scan your license at that time of your block, it automatically cancels it for you, and basically somebody else can pick it up. So that's what happened to me on my first one. So I signed up for one that's at 2, and it's 1:30 now. So I have to sit and wait before I can scan my license to get the stuff to deliver. So that's what I'm doing right now, sitting in the car waiting. So I'm going to take you guys along with me on this. I do have a lot to do today, but I'm going to try to get it all done and take you guys along with me. All right, y'all. So update. The one that I took for 2 o'clock, guess what? It wasn't for today. It's for Tuesday. So you know what? I had planned on taking Tuesday off anyway. So, because I have to go handle some business. So it ain't nothing like getting double pay, you know, because I'm gonna get paid for my job and get paid for this Amazon Flex. So yeah. So I'm on my way back to the house, which I have tons of stuff to do at the house. So I'm just gonna bring you guys along on my day. I think I really need to do my room. I really need to get my room in a place to where I have to the place to where it erased all the memories of oh Lord, this is like, oh Lord, they smoking and the car smoking. Can y'all see me? I hope y'all can see me. But anyways, let me get out behind this little truck that's smoking in front of me. But anyways, I got to get all the vibes up out of there. You know what I'm saying? If you've been married and you're not married no more, but you're still in the same room that you was sleeping in with your spouse, you know, you kind of have to do a reset and just like do a cleanse of the room. And that's what I did. I have all new bedding, all new. I got new curtains. I'm about to paint my walls. I'm about to put up some funky looking wallpaper, like colorful, so Punky Brewster type of ish. Y'all know I'm the black punky. So yeah, I really want to do that today, but I have some other stuff that I need to tackle. Who knows what's about to happen, but I am about to get to the house. I had to come all the way out to Norcross for this block that I didn't even get to do. So, but hey, we're gonna keep it moving. It's only 2:11, so the day must go on, and I must go ahead and finish it out strong. So I will catch you guys back up when I get to the house. All right, you guys, so the first thing that I had to do when I came home, because as soon as I got out the car, I immediately just started doing what I need to do. And so the first thing that I have to do is install this Blink doornail. It's a doorbell, a video doorbell, whatever. So our doorbell went out a long time ago. I bought a Amazon one. Gosh, dang, it done. Anyway, y'all know what I'm talking about. The Ring doorbell. I had bought one of those. I installed it, and then it just stopped working. And we had somebody come, and he said something about something had blew in the box that's inside the house that's connected to the wire outside. So this one actually can be wire free or installed with the wire. I ain't trying to mess up a whole nother doorbell, and so I'm just gonna set it up wireless. That's one thing about me. I am very hands-on when it comes to doing stuff around the house. My dogs probably are going to be looking out this little window. So this comes with a sink module 2. I don't know what that means, but this is what that is. This little box. And then, of course, this is the doorbell. It comes with batteries. If I'm not mistaken, has to be charged up. Yeah, because it comes with the charger and the cord, and then this little thing opens up where the battery goes, and some screws. So I need to get a screwdriver. Go ahead and put these batteries.
One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take?
Okay, so that was a little simple install, but the only thing else that you have to do is do the rest by the app. So I just downloaded the Blink app, and I have to create an account. All right, y'all, she working, she did it. It was easy, but the app was kind of giving me a little problems. I wanted to record it, but you can't really hardly see. But anyways, next on my today's to-do list is to change the locks on the doors. So y'all pray for me. I don't know how to do this. I ain't never done it before, but the keys were not returned to me when I was supposed when he left. So and they were supposed to be returned to me, and I don't feel comfortable with, you know, that. So I'm going to change these locks out, and it's probably gonna take me a minute because I've never done this. So here we go, y'all. So this is the locks that I went with this time, and yeah, I kind of got a little bit intimidated when I look at all the pieces, because I'm like, wait, it's just supposed to be a couple of pieces, right? But we're gonna get it done.
words, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me?
See, yeah, I had to put my hair up. Don't mind me. It is hot as hell. But I got the doorknobs on. I could leave the insert, the part that's inserted in the actual wall. I could leave those in there because they work. But because I'm a little anal when it comes to that type of stuff, like I don't want no black doorknobs and then that stuff is silver. So I'm gonna change it out too. Since this went fairly well, and then I have to go to Lowe's because I only got, it only came with 2 keys, so I have to go get some more keys made for my kids, and then I'm gonna give keys to 2 family members just for protection and just in case somebody need to get in.
Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard.
Alright y'all, so before I get into the next part of this video, let me just say, the objects in front of the screen may appear bigger than they actually are. Because when I tell you, I am definitely not as huge as the camera is making me be. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I have lost a little weight. I just wanted to let you know that because I feel like I appear large and I'm not. So just want to put that out there, a full disclosure, like, hey, sis ain't as big as this camera, okay? But anyways, this little section of the video, it is the next day, y'all. Sorry, I couldn't. Mom life, you know, if you got kids, you gotta stop at some point and cook. So I cooked last night and talked to my bestie on the, I tell you, when we get on the phone, we be talking for hours and hours. Y'all know that song. But anyway, this little section, I want to show you guys what I got from Dollar Tree. Like, I want to say recently, last week maybe. But of course, y'all know the dollar plus section. Well, they have these signs out. Of course, I'm guessing they can go outside. Mine is going to go outside. This one is actually, I'm using this one for spring. My front porch isn't covered, so I'm hoping that it doesn't mess up, but we'll see. And then for the summer, I got this one. They had other ones as well. These were both $5 a piece, and they're 48 inches tall. So I got those. And then I was trying to figure out a way to organize my jewelry, and I seen that they had these bins. So I just got one because I do have those big hoops that you guys have seen me wear, and I needed a place to put them in because the other things that I got these right here, I got this to organize my other jewelry. So it's got a lot of different compartments, and it does come with more little dividers, which fell out when I opened it up, but I'll get those in just a second. But I got 2 of these, $3. And then I love to use this on my when I be making chicken tenders, so I get these. And I put these in my salmon patties just to make them thicker. But oh my god, y'all, it's so good. Actually, I think I want to make some. I might make some this week. And then the other little stuff that I got was nothing fancy. I've shown it before, but they do sell floodlights, y'all, if y'all need some floodlights. I have to find somebody with a tall ladder because these need to go at the top of my house. But the other thing that I wanted to show you guys, which I have more stuff in here, but it's stuff that I've showed you guys several times before. But these little totes, I got this for my closet. It was, I'm sure it was $5. Yeah, $5. So I didn't get much from the, well, yes I did, but it's stuff that, just like toothpaste and stuff like that for the $1.25 or whatever. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys those quick things. And then now I'm about to go and try to turn my entryway into something, because it's been a whole mess for a minute. But hey, if you know what I've been going through, you know why. All right, y'all, I know I said that I was gonna film me decorating my entryway, but somebody been in the way the whole time. Yeah, my granddog. Look how big she is. When she stand up and look up out the window, she look like a whole person. Yeah, my granddog Willow. So you're just seeing the finished results. Okay. So this is one side of my entryway. Now this little thing up here at the top, I made it with Dollar Tree supplies a while ago, and it has been all over the place in my house, and it's made its way to the entryway. I feel like having mirrors makes the space larger, although I don't need this area to be any larger, because, you know, as you can see, the walls are tall, so I don't need it to be larger. I just wanted to make it a little brighter, if you understand what I'm saying. So yeah, that's mail, got to be put up, so disregard. But yeah, I am at an age where I just want to have minimalistic stuff in my life. Hopefully God will bless me with a minimalistic man. It's minimalistic as well. I went back and looked at my last year's entryway decor, and it's the only thing that's really similar, or only thing that's the same, is Mr. Jeffrey up there sitting on the stool. So yeah, I don't know where majority of my spring decor is, so I just went with this a little bit. Look at my little grandmas. My grandma Sarah don't want to stay up. Look at this. Come on, grandma. All right, so I bought these like 2 years ago, and I got them because I wanted to have something to symbolize my grandmothers. One passed away, one's still alive. The one that passed away is this one. I got this one for her, Sarah, my grandma Sarah, because she got them white. And then my grandma Dot, I got this one. So yeah, this is just gonna be a little simple decor for my entryway. And then I just got this pillow down here at the bottom because the truck that I made needs to be re-glued, and I ain't got time for that right now. So I think this is going to sum up this video. It should be enough footage. So I hope you guys enjoyed and decide to stick around if you haven't, and subscribe to my channel. click on that notification bell so that you are aware when I drop videos. And leave me a comment. Make sure you like this video so it'll get pushed out even more, you guys. I need it to go out so I can keep getting paid. But yeah. I will chat with you all in the next video. Bye.
I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel. But if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know you really want